Hello everyone. Let's learn how to create this kind of double exposure effect using Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now, go to Select, Subject. Once the face is selected, create a mask. Select the subject layer, and then go to Image, Adjustment, and Levels. Here adjust the levels to create mode contrast in the image. Now drag and drop the tree's image into the canvas. The download link is in the description. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the scale of the photo. Change the blending mode to screen. Create a solid color layer and choose a white color in the pick box. Drag this layer at the bottom. Now, right-click on the trees layer and then click on the Create Clipping Mask option. Create a mask on the tree layer. Select the brush tool and make sure the color is black in the color picker. Ensure that the opacity and flow are set at 20%. Now start painting around the edges of the face to make some facial features visible. Now, drag and drop the bird's image here. Press Ctrl+T and adjust the size. Change the blending mode to multiply. Create a gradient color layer. Here, choose any preset of your choice or create yours for the background. Hit OK. Drag the gradient layer at the bottom. We are done. Let's see the final output. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.